Mwikiro boko muraithiria humwega wa Meru Tv nwetherete wina kagita gakiga ukamitikira nkithirange kugwata ugeni kiri NTETO cha Meru Tv ithaa mugwanja na rwa kuri tariki ithato mweri jwa ithato mwaka jwa 2023 nkroki kakurikana mbe kodro gituthingatire gukurukira Facebook Meru Tv Kenya, Twitter @Meru Tv Kenya kana kuba kodro gituthingatire gukurukira platform yetu ya website ira ni merudigital.co.ke ritwa ukambita Gloria Wirigi na nkiambiria na tatwirire kitio kinyekiri metha yetu ya NTETO ni ati nkatha ya munini wa mutongere wa Nthiguru Dorcas Gachagua na rite mantu jakonie ngorano cia antu bamumbire jumwe na mugambo jwa somba LGBTQ nkatha iji akiaria nyuma ya gutarakanaga ka mtu karume na muthenya skuru ya University ya Nairobi netherite akiuga thirikari nitengete na untubu boria ni mugaru na gatiba ya Kenya amwe na witikio bwandini cionthe ajojo Kenya. Mutongeria uju netete na mbere kugwatira murungamo jwawe ta mutongeria wa kindini na mtu kiumbe ati ngurano iji ni kwagirithia kiene untwire bwa Kenya katiba na nkruki ni kuonia murungu kirina nario miarieji ni umbite kuthurwa ikigwato mbaru ni mutongeria wa Nthiguru Daktari William Ruto na munini wa Rigathi Gachagua baria bagwetete untu bota ukoma
that we will accommodate
you. Feel part of this. So let's celebrate and to encourage them so that they feel important.
And we shouldn't just a video going viral. Very teachers, adults.
Let's give another round of applause. Thank you so much. I go on to the community. Because of time, we want to address the questions directly to Her Excellency. Then we will have a chance for that. Kindly bear with us. Let me get to the next question.
And I'm a spiritual woman. And quote from the Holy Book, the book of Isaiah chapter 6 verse 1 to 3 says, I have shown my light upon you. Go and shine the same light.
Na tutitana mbere atongeria bandini mwanya shirika na atori kumagishiko mbunge kya Bore wachumiritie na kurekana na itwa ria koti nene gwitikiria wandikithia obwa ikundi bia antu baria bakokorana bareba mumbere jomwe atongeria bogite batikira na cio kuona ontwire bwa chomba bukienjira miri ndigorone ya Kenya bogite ontubo ni okomana ni ontubo tetekiritwe kabisa ndene ya watho bwa Kenya na kinya ndene ya kindini. Mwandiki wetu NTETO Gaki wa Mutegi na gututwarira nkroki
atumirite tuthuri tutikenete gwitikia no bone cura chetu tutikenete
babu na thenjeri ba murungu kumatunicha mwanya gicigo mbunge kia Bore babe na muthuro munene nyuma ya koti kugite gamba na witikiria ngurano cia antu ba muthemba umwe bakiaria tungatiri baba ugeta bo batikara nthi na gukirira untu bubu
takwaria kana turiaja kuregana na etua nontu bamantu tairi bwambere ma riria tukuga kana ndira koti ragitire gamba ati kundi bibia registered nontu bakurigaria mono nontu bakumakania mono nontu tumba kuombera na arua ndeta nchiaria mbuge oni de morani ntiorana kana kini mbandikithie kundi kia orani mbetempe orodha tuge kundi ke imandara kundi ke za group of mandara na tuteoranaga lakini atwa register ke kundi kira tukwana ndiro twina light chakora ko ginya tukoraga muntu batwe tutiona gwi kono ntu tukaitetera na kikundi kira kana constitution yetu nontu ikikundi registered so ndenda kuga na njirechi nteto iji tukuchigondokera buru na tukogwite bui
kiambere tupingite mantu jaja mantu jakeriga muno ndena ndikuruita Kenya ti mantu jabaterie na ti mantu tuwitikiria nuntu itisairigo kugwa mukuru na mukuru baketwa ba kapu ti muntu bumbe kombikira bunu na Kenya kuni nkwaria ndi pastor mwe wa bure ikundi gya pastors tukiwa batu tukupinga mantu ja ngorano cia arume na arume akanaka
LGBTQ te agwetekerwa ni mtu ina sodomite mtu kumenya ni mbia kuthithia ngachoka ki muturire jwa mu Afrika intato tutaigwa intato tutona
jandombe murungu ni nkoregana na chio na uma wa mantu jaja ne murungu wengo wamberetie ntomurume agure mwekuru aguro ni ntomurume
kimako kiao kinene na tonto bobo kathirio Kristo na mukuthukia nchiarwa cieyete
na mantu ja ku impact kindu kimbithire ketho ekiura kisasi kiria kijite ntomurume na ntomurume baguranire tikuona rurijo rungi rwa rweteri rwa rukendereiria ndiguru
muno ntu bwana betu bweja kuraithiria daichi mbaki ijanyuna ni tutindiri twa mbere na ndicho getekinda kachietu joba yukira kanywa pati na bogiti na ria bakegoro leta rwigitwe ni lukitwe ni judges bakawiro muno ntu pamwe ni uba kwenda ko batu tu pastors turuga itugwatire mwito jwetu ati batu itulegene na ngorano ciaka na rume according to the biblical batu itugupinga na tutugwetikiria.
Another thing, generation ire ijite nyuma tutijure kethwe ekari batu twiku tukwererewa tutijaba bangiura bakethwa bakari tomba gutigira ntiguru yomba gutigwa ire thinene tonwa nontu direction yu twerekerete te njaga na tutije na atagwakara na umbere so batu tugukodem luring you at the highest possible na pastors betu bonde ndiguru ba Kenya yonde iba umire baba betu bakiro iba umire bariririe nteto yu na nyendito na nya support ira bakethwa bakenda kuma rungu naja tuli naja mashinani tutawapea
kwenda kutukaro ati imwe tonga kana inkia ezi community na gutiro mamno ntobakorire muno ntona tomurume witita maternity abudoga na ndi tomurume etita maternity agachiara the ntobiwa kumakani kona ni kwenda tuduganye bwega
ende ni romba reo kiria thinjiri banka thichegoro gutangurutana na ndeto na kuregana nayo o kagitani gakuba kuromba jumbe kwira musondo mbungeni mbere mantu matanywa mpiri
onde appeal direct ke president nontu nwe munene wetu anthiguru ya Kenya ngwetikia na thoma ngathiti ngwetikia na interactate na rwaria ru na batere aru ungike nontu na power ya kururungika na batere arukanie gucokia murungu katho nontu bwa munene wa Uganda Museveni na araregere na narapingire na uga eutemo kalire jwa Afrika ura twauma ko inkuromba nya munene wetu President William Ruto arungame kinyawe akanie nontu itibua ne tibwera na kanisene kinyaba keja batuikia koti jani ntegwatithania murano jajou jwanto murume gwanto murume kwa muka
kwenda kuona atongere betu ndrona Kagame alia ndronere Museveni alia letter wa president alia ya imdaona ya bishop mwali uga ikanisere maromba it's okay lakini at the end of the day kire kanise maromba kana ithirikare maromba tutibati kura thirikari no ntubwa kwithura muntu mwakweia tubati kurungama twetere maamuzi ja mbunge na still tukiataira maamuzi ya mbunge pastors tuna uwezo no tuikie case koti no tuina mawakili tuna ntobathom tuchoke appeal na mpwe urakumbika na Justin Mutuli awa munene wetu sheria thirikari ni bati kumwa mandate appeal na mpura kumbikana untobobo na botebati kubaburio
kuma gicigo mbunge kia Bure ngiripotera Meru TV nio kambetaga ki Mutegi
Tugitigana na NTETO atongere bakuma ntere iria njumo monondo anachia tigani account ya Meru ne bakoria anto byombe bawendi wega gutetheria ana ba junior secondary batonya sukuru Adams Moturia na gututariria nkroki.
To all other leaders to come on board and to give the governor a hand, so that I know there are still many students in the villages who have not gotten this opportunity. And it has been always said, education is the only game changer in life. Once you educate one person, then that person will be able to change the life of that family. As the young man has said, he has already said he wanted to be a doctor, and once he achieves his dream because of the opportunity that he has been given, then he will be able to change the life of the 10 others who are at home. I thank the guardian angel who is here with us, the mother, who has really taken this opportunity to highlight the plight of this young boy, the PTA chairman, Mr. Galma, who has transversed this vast county to bring such cases to the light. And you, the media also, you have that task of ensuring that such cases come to the light, so that, you know, most of these cases go unheard, except through the PTA chairman and such good well-wishers.
Mrithirio mwega wa Meru TV ukambitikire nketho wankimiria matani ntinicho kierete nyuma ndarekaite kurajanga kurombote kethro kimagaruka mutamboni.
Ari no kumenya siri ya kwithirwa uri na biashara embega ne kwerutaniria na kwenenkanira kirio. Meru TV tugukinya engo kuwatanira na gukiria biashara yaku. Mbitigeria tukinyanie makinya tuthiuruke gontu mwanya tukimurikaga biashara enu yaku nini engo tumenya mainge na tuinambere kwa tukirutanagiria gukiria yo kiri mubango watu baitithani owatanite nani Faminas wakimathi ake aga kwa Meru TV.
Odina kiatho kia mbathidikana no irigirite kugita kiatho no kiriko kiriana baku ba ukurubwa miaka 12 kwinama. Meru TV tureje ni ontu bwa kwagirithia na gukenanira na mwana waku na njira ya kumurika kiatho giaku. Uri batara gutuma mbica intaramu cia mwana waku, tariki cia guciarwa na maandiko ja matari ja kuthetherura na kutherema nkoro ya mwana waku. Maandiko ja jatigakuruki 20 ni utukagemia kiatho kia mwana waku na akumwa mwago jwa muthemba agikongwira na chore na ndegoro ngima. Araniria na rwangi rwetu rwa wendia na biashara gukurukira namba iji 0701 886 811. Meru TV, chionere mwanya.
nga kukwata ugeni okairi muraithirio mwega wa Meru TV nikienda kwamba kuthorwa ngita na mbere na gukwa ntito tore chumbite kuthorwa igi tukinyira na twitite na mbere nayo kamiti bunde ya cukuru ya Murthara Nkari Girls wa mwena onjurithia ba cukuru eji ni bakoria mwingi kwimenyera na ntudu chianto iria chiambiritie gutunya akari bagitumaira rietwa aria cukuru eji bakiaria ni bakuga akorena anto bagutumanira message na kinya kuringa thimo bakiromba utethio onto buria butumite bakoria rwangi rwa ukaria rwa CID kumatia ukaria nyuma yabo kuringirwa kana kubakuthura bagikurukira makonie jajaja maitaja maingi.
My name is Pamela Nge. I'm the principal Murthara Nkari Girls High School. Ningetaka kuongea na marafiki zetu, wazazi, stakeholders na community at large ya kwamba tumekuwa na shida ya watu ambao wamekuwa wakitumia jina la shule yetu kukon wazazi, members of public, stakeholders and people who surround this school who have goodwill. Since January at around 23rd, parents started getting messages from conmen. It's actually a group of people. We have around 15 phone numbers that have been used to con our parents. They would call them, tell them, your child is sick, I'm in Meru General, send money. Others have come fledged as our teachers, our board members and leaders. Wanasema ya kwamba wametumwa na principal, board members to solicit for suppliers in school. They even are willing to give you the mahindi, maragwe, upeleke shule. But when you look at the intention, it is to con members of public. So I'm sending a warning to all those people who surround us, and those who receive such messages to know that these messages are not from the school, they are not from the principal, neither are they from the board of management. So be very careful. A number of parents have been conned. I want to say that I've talked to stakeholders, board members, informal messages. I've sent messages to parents against this, but they have now changed their approach. They are even calling people saying that this school is doing very well academically and they are in dire need of support. Wanaomba mchango wa chakula, usaidizi wakitumia shule yetu. Na kwa maana we have people who really love this school and know that we are doing well. Some have been conned. Wanatuma pesa in form of msaada, chakula, ati ipelekewe Murthara Nkari Girls. I want to make it very clear before the board of management that our school is not in need of any mchango. Hatujatuma mtu yeyote kutuchangia, tuko sawa. Wazazi wametusupport, board imetusupport na serikali. Ukipata message kama hiyo, treat it as a con message and don't give any money in relation to that. With me, I have the board of management. I have the PTA chair who is in charge of all the parents' affairs, and she is aware that we have not requested for any help. Yes, I also want to make it very clear that our communications are very well known by our parents and leaders. We have a school line which is known by all parents, suppliers and board members. If you receive a message that is not from our registered and known school number, treat it with a lot of suspicion. I also share my number with all parents. Kindly, if you are not sure of whatever you are receiving, call me to confirm.
Mantu mama imere itwe kinyai maripote itwe kwa DCI na unfortunately gutire step tukone yukitwe this far namba ino chi antu baba bakuringa thimu ninenkanilitwe na nuntu bogu twenda kuromba utethio nikenda antu baba baumba kugwatwa na ndenda washu achiari na stakeholders bachukuru na kinya kanisa tatika shukuru yetu ri sasawa
kwa uri okaringirwa thimu akajukia thimu kana atuma mbeca kana etekeria we ni muciari Murthara Nkari atumira muntu mbeca no ntu bau ni conmen na mbuga kire aciari betu ibaije uria message ituma wakiribo na kwina school line oja ura principal arikia kuga ekeja kwethira te gutumirite message kana ringirwa thimu ni principal kana ni account clerk uka respond any phone.
Na tukitigana na NTETO akariba Ndomoro ni bagukaira mubunge wao amwe na thirikari nene ibarikane na kuwagirithia barabara iria ithukibuka thantere iucia Igembe North ni bathombetie mukandarathi uria wairwe ngugi ya guthondekibwa barabara cia nteriu ni ontobwa okubathura kagitaga kweja na ngugi. Mwandiki wetu wa NTETO Mukiri wa Konja na gututariria nkoroki.
Nera nene ngui nera turiro twite tukaromba ngui twata kuromba ngui tugerwe toira barua chief twata tukaira barua chief unika umangeta we tukangeta chief wetu no kangeta ngeta kaira barua chief ngeta no monka ko muchaina ngeta kaendie ngerwa ruari ngui no ke Jumatatu yorombe ngui ke Jumatatu ngero we Juma ke Juma ngero mbe Jumenge no tengu turona enda nera nene tu nyo itukuona tu na dhine atare kuringana na ora antu bo tu bwithirio kora bwo no ntu bakureta njaluo na kisi na kuma ntu bakuma na kungi
ageni baba giko bonde kwa ina bandikiro no baruga no ntu kona muntu riftivale ariku muntu muzamburu ariku na muborona ariku kile mwana mwari batu tutona batu antu bakonire to ameru baba inge batekwa muchaina kinyendere bachiongotiri msomo kama sisi bado soma siko kazi tunaweza fanya hata tunaweza kupeleka wheelbarrow si tunaweza endesha hatuwezi endesha hata kupeleka hata mawe sisi hapana naweza ondoa na kutuba
iko kazi imesemekana iko hapo sisi hiyo kazi hatubati iko Turkana iko wa Somali wa Borana wa Meru sisi wote tunaishi hapo na sisi ni kama watu moja hiyo kazi sisi hatubati iko maji yamesemekana metobolewa na China hapo tunasikia magari na bita hapo hatujui mahali maji yanatobolewa na sisi ni wakaaji hapa Limuru tangu zamani sisi
Ibuke sana mwanithiria umwege wa Meru TV mwakira utokinya mothiaji wa NTETO cia Meru TV thaa mugwanja gucukire ngatho cia mwanya muno no ntumba kugwatanira na bautu kumathairia twambiririe mwenka thaa iji thira wina kagita gakega nditukambita Gloria Mwirigi.